Greetings dear children. In this video, we will be learning the grammar concept direct and indirect speech. Before we begin the concept, first we should know how to differentiate direct and indirect speech. We can either quote the exact words spoken by someone or report them in our own words. If we quote the exact words or actual words of the speaker, that sentence is in direct speech. For example, he said, I am hungry. Here we see the exact actual words of the speaker is quoted here. And the sentence is in direct speech. When we report the direct, that means the actual words of the speaker, when we report it in our own words, then the sentence is in indirect speech. The words of the speaker, here it is reported. He said that he was hungry. The sentence is in indirect speech. Reporting verb. When you get a sentence, you should be able to differentiate a reporting verb and a reported speech. Reporting verb, in direct speech, the words which are outside the inverted comma. The reporting verb will be in present, past or future tense. The word will be outside the inverted comma, as they are introducing the actual words of the speaker. And the words which are quoted, which is inside the inverted comma, that is the reported, the actual words of the speaker. That is the reported speech. So the sentence, we can break it as reporting verb one side, reported speech. Reporting verb, the word in the direct speech, the words which are outside the inverted comma, as they are introducing the words of the speaker. The words inside the inverted comma to quote the actual words of the speaker. For example, he said to Manish, I have already followed your instruction. Here said, as I told that reporting verb will be in three tenses, either present or past or future. Here we see that it is in past tense. So this is the reporting verb which is outside the inverted comma, and the words which are inside the inverted comma, this is called reported speech. Here the first sentence, here also you can check it. He said, I am hungry. The word said is a reporting verb. The words I am hungry, that is reported speech. Yes. Now we know which is reporting verb and a reported speech. So in this video, we are going to learn one part of the concept direct and indirect speech. So in this video, let us see that when the reporting verb is in past tense, as I told you that the reporting verb will be in present, past or future tense. So when the reporting verb is in past tense, reported speech will change according to this table. This change in tense, you have to learn it by heart. For example, if the reported speech is in simple present, when you change it into indirect speech, it changes to simple past. If the reported speech is in present continuous, changes to past continuous. Present perfect then changes to past perfect. Present perfect continuous changes to past perfect continuous. Simple past changes to past perfect. Past continuous changes to past perfect continuous. And past perfect and past perfect continuous, there is no change. And future perfect becomes conditional. Future becomes conditional. Future perfect becomes conditional perfect. Said changes to told. Shall is changed to should or would. Will changes to would. Let's look at a few examples. He said, I complete the note. Here we see that a reported speech is in present tense. If the reported speech is in present tense, it changes to past tense. He said that he completed the notes. Present continuous changes to past continuous. She said, I am eating pizza. Changing it into indirect speech. She said that she was eating pizza. He said, I have written test. Present perfect. Present perfect changes to past perfect. He said that he had written the test. Next question is, he said, I spoke to her. He said that he had spoken to her, and we see the change in tense. Simple past it is spoke. Reported speech in simple past, it changes to past perfect. Had plus third form of the verb. Speak. Spoke is the second form and the third form is spoken. Had spoken. And one sentence in future, he said, I will call you. He said that he would call me, becomes conditional. 5 sentences are given here. Do solve it. If any query is there, put it in the comment box. Thank you, children.